Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Taylor 10-section panel clamp. It does have an 8-foot width capacity. Those clamps enable 30 inches of depth. For greater height capacity, there are the height extension plates here. There are 117 plates included. Again, this is a 10-section clamp. We only have 8 sections up. The other 2 are on the floor. So that's a total of 60 clamps. You do have some spare parts. This machine does include your air ratchet, forward, forward and reverse. Right here's your safety. When you engage this, that's going to engage your top pressure bar. As you can see, that slides nicely. Really nice, clean clamp. It's not all caked with glue. As you can see, just really clean sides. Very, very well kept. It does have forward and reverse. We're going to turn it forward. As you can hear, there are no air leaks. Everything functions as it should. Air motor runs nice and strong. It's ready to work today. That's something that people take for granted, that this tool, when we ship it to you, you can put it together and just get it working right away. We replaced any of the missing springs on the back plates. A lot of times there's always ones missing, so you don't have to worry about that. Again, you just have to reassemble it and put it to work. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.